Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmed Said, a herbal practitioner and a chiropractor. And this is the part 2 of the medicinal benefits of pepper. Okay, in the part 1, I talked about how we can use the leaves for our health and what the leaves can be used for. And the part 2, I'm come to talk about the fruit itself. Okay, when I talk about the fruit, I mean the fruit, the seed, everything. Okay, now let's start it from here. Now when we come to the fruit, 1, it protects the heart. Okay, the fruit, it protects the heart. All right, so when you take in pepper, okay, it protects the heart. Now if you are somebody, if you are somebody that you have severe heart beat or severe heart problem, whereby your heart is beating so fast, I mean you find it difficult to talk, you see what makes the pepper burn, or what makes it hot, what makes the pepper hot, okay, it is called a capsaicin. Okay, the capsaicin in the pepper that makes it hot. That's why when you eat pepper, it is hot. Now, if you know anybody who is having severe heartbeat, whereby he find difficult to like something like, thank you. You know what you have to do? It's so simple. You can blend the pepper. Okay, you can blend the pepper. Add little water to it. Sieve it. Listen. You sieve it, just give to the person to drink. Wait for 5 minutes, you see the person will calm down. Okay, or if you can't use the pepper, then so you can't blend it and drink like that, then dry it, turn it to powder and put it down. If you know anybody with that problem, do what I just showed you. One teaspoon like this with half a sachet water or 250 ml water, set it and give the person to drink. I give you not less than 5 minutes, the person will calm down. Okay, so it protects the heart. 2, it stops bleeding. Yes, it stops bleeding. Let me give you one example. Maybe somebody is bleeding from the mouth. I mean you have toothache and then you are bleeding. Thank you. What you need to do, if you have the powder, okay, if you have the powder of the pepper, not the leaves, the pepper itself, you can just mix more with how do you call it, warm water, okay, and rinse it in your mouth, and just rinse it in your mouth. If you swallow it, no problem, it will stop the bleeding. Now 3, it reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Yes, I've mentioned the properties of pepper already. So it tells you that because of some of the properties in the pepper, it can help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. All right, now let's go to the other one. It improves eye, hair, and skin health. It improves eye, hair, and skin health. I didn't say go and blend it and rub it on your skin, your hair, or put them in your eyes. No, the intake, it helps those things. Okay, yeah, and I'm not saying that because of that go and blend it and be drinking it like water. No, too much of it too can cause you a problem. I'm just telling you the benefit of it. You understand? Now at the same time, it repairs the brain. Now, the olden days, I heard this. I've never tried it before. I heard it. Do you know people with unstable mind? Okay, I mean people are trying to go nuts. They use pepper, okay, as how do we call it? Sonocry kind of for example. As snuff or sniff or whatever. Okay, yes, they will mash the pepper, squeeze the water out of it, and then pour it in your nose. Look, your brain will work back. Yes, I'm telling you. If you know any old person in your house, ask this question. That's what the pepper is used for. It's painful. It's painful. But it's used to repair the brain. So those who are having unstable brains and stuff like that. You understand? Thank you. Again, it helps fight anemia. Okay, it helps fight anemia and fatigue. Yes, it helps fight anemia and fatigue. Okay, that's the intake of pepper. That's why I'm saying that. I'm not saying you should be blending and drink, but I'm saying that you can turn the pepper to powder, turn the leaves to powder, and just put them down, something like this. Okay, thank you. Please, it's not pepper. No, something like this. Then you'll be drinking it like tea if you have any of this problem or you want to solve any of this problem. Okay, at the same time too, it prevents allergies. Pepper. Okay, pepper. It prevents allergies. All right, so this is the little I can also say about pepper, the fruit itself, and the seed, the medicinal uses. Now, at the part 3, I'm going to talk about the root and what it's used for. So it simply means that when you are boiling medicine, you can add pepper to it and boil it. Okay, any medicine you are boiling. So a lot of the medicines I boil for people, I add pepper to it and I boil it for them. Yes, thank you very much.